So you know what? In Australia, we have this saying. And that saying is, a change is as good as a holiday. That's the truth. In America, holidays mean just like a special event holiday. In Australia, holiday means going away for a week or two and doing whatever you want. But anyway, why am I here today? One reason. To unbox this. Yep, I got myself a stabilizer, which obviously is not on here right now. So this is the Hohem iSteady mobile stabilizer. Hohem. That's such a strange name, isn't it? Hohem. So what I'm going to do is just crack this open and take a look at it. Now, I'm sorry if it's a bit noisy here, the exhaust fans are going, but I wanted to make a video somewhere else other than at my kitchen table. So here I am. Right on. So pull this out of the box. Alright, that's it. It's got this nice little hard case. And there she is. That's pretty cool. Pull it out for a closer look see. So, got a mini tripod. And there's a little stabilizer. Now this is a 3-axis stabilizer. You can see your options. It's your little joystick. You got your focus. And obviously you mount your phone. Now it has a 280 gram payload. So most iPhones and phones will fit it. You mount it on a tripod if you want to. Now the cool thing with this is it has the facial recognition feature, so you can basically sit it on a tripod and you can do your little interview and the camera will actually follow you within reason. And also has the time-lapse feature where it's say over 10 hours it'll move across the screen like so. So pretty good. I can't wait to actually start shooting some footage with it. Now here's the thing with this, I saw these stabilizers a long time ago. You've probably seen the smooth one, that's the mainstream one. Now the benefit of the smooth is it has telescopic post on it, so you can actually make it, you know, lengthen and shorten it, which is kind of cool. But I'd actually researched these things for a while and I just never bit the bullet. And then one day I was like, oh man, I really want to stabilize this, you know, start shooting some better quality footage. And so I researched them for a few days, and this one, the Hohem iSteady, was the best value with the best options. And she also has a 12-hour battery life, which is awesome. And you can also use it as a power bank. So, you know, your phone's getting low on charge, plug it in, it's going to suck the power out of the battery for the iSteady, put it straight back into your cell phone. So yeah, that's that. But it's pretty cool. The features are exactly what I needed, and I think that this thing is going to make some sick videos. I'm going to use it on my very next car review, which I think, I'm not sure yet, but it's either going to be Lamborghini Huracan or a 2019 M3 BMW. Also got a G-Wagon possibly coming up too. Maybe a Rolls-Royce Ghost, I don't know. There's some stuff coming up, I can't wait. But I think that's pretty much it, guys. So that is the Hohem iSteady mobile stabilizer, or gimbal, however you want to say it. And I definitely need to start using it. And once I use it, I'll do a review video and give my honest opinion about it. But that's it, guys. She's a bloody good ticket, mate. So again, that's basically what it is, you know. And you definitely want to get one that has some kind of case to protect it. And also, didn't show you this, it's got the trigger. And I think there's a way to set up transitions with it. So I need to get the app and everything on the phone and suss it all out, mate, you know. Suss her out, see what she's like. But that is it, my friends. So I best get back to work. So I'm shooting this at work. Alright, they know. I like to pretend they don't though. But nah, they're cool with this. it's nice to get support from the people around you when you enjoy something, when you're passionate about it. So guys, appreciate yous as usual. Love yous. Yous all have an awesome day. Peace out.